Ka Central Bureau of Communication bat ka Press Information Bureau haringkat ka Jingpynkhuid lang bat ka Shillong Municipal Board menta ka sngi kila Pynlong ya ka Jingpynkhuid ya ka Khyndai lat. Haka ni ka sngi Pynlong lawan banishim bentalang da ki Samla Puli College ki Shipai BSF bat CRPF bat ki try dukan. Haba ai Jingkren haka ni ka sngi udukot ka Kanhun Menteri uba AL Hek da ka mensim ka basngau sarong ula pentip baka Jingpynkhuid jing suba ka dei ka riti ka dustur jang manla ka rempeyeng hajala Meghalaya haka ba ula kentu ya ki pajba ban shim ya ka jingket kli halade ban Pynlong men suba ya la ki saudung saukun.
In our own ancestral property, the central house, we have all the houses in Shillong, they organized before we having the garbage truck distributing to the different localities. We used to have our own dumping place. Every house they keep clean, all the household waste, they are only dumped in one place, somewhere corner in the near of our own compound. After that, they burn all the waste for the gardening. So therefore, this is already there in our mind and our soul. This is our parampara and our tradition to keep always clean.